Hi, in this video I will talk about the category template feature you have with PODTurbo. So, this is a powerful feature that will help your product have a better ranking in the marketplaces with its unique product description and product features. Most marketplaces like products that have detailed descriptions containing a search term. So in this category template, you can create the product description and product features for all products with the niche token. The niche token will be replaced with the niche keyword you define when you create a product in PodTurbo through CSV file. So when you create a new product on the system will automatically replace the niche token with the niche keyword you define in your CSV file. And we have a default category template for every product with the niche token. You can edit your category template too to make them unique. So this is all about the category template and its features. Thank you for watching.